We bring you television's very different couple, Zain and Alia, from Color's brand new show Be-Inteha. Welcome to Bollywood Now and congratulations for the new show.
Thank you.
Okay, why it is so unusual? What is the USP of Be-Inteha?
I think the first and foremost USP is that it's a Muslim social drama, which is very rare on Indian screen, mostly which is dominated by Gujarati and Rajasthani teleseries. We are also going to capture this very glamorously, larger than life. So far, I felt like I'm shooting for a movie. So Be-Inteha will have a very larger than life, very glamorous appeal. So I think this is going to set this show a little slightly apart from the rest.
Okay, what do you think, Harsha?
Absolutely agree with Pratik on that. The show has been shot really like a film, and we have extensively shot in different exotic locations of Bhopal. We have covered the older Bhopal very well, and basically we have the characterization in the show has been done really well. Each and every character has been written very well, and it's very different from the current shows, the Muslim shows which are on air right now, and you have to watch it to see the difference.
Okay, we have seen a lot of love stories in the past on television. How different it is because it starts from a big no from both of you. So what is the mystery?
For that, you have to wait and watch the show.
That's why it's the mystery. See, that's what the difference is. It starts from a no. Normally, everything starts from a yes and then becomes a no. So, first of all, the big difference is that. And another difference is that Zain and Alia are very similar people. Normally, people who are not similar, they fall into love. They fall in love with each other. So, we are very similar people, and still we are different from each other at the same time. We are very strong-headed people, both of us. And how the entire journey of Zain and Alia you will see once the show starts, and you will love it. I just hope you love it.
You are debuting with Be-Inteha. So how does it feel to be on small screen? I mean, how was the overall experience of the show?
So far, like I said, I didn't feel like I'm shooting for a teleseries. I really felt I'm shooting for a film because I've already done 2 South films.
Right.
So the feel was, in fact, better. We've shot more glamorously, I felt.
Right.
So, yeah, I enjoyed it.
What do you think, Harsha?
Absolutely. As she said, we have it didn't even feel like that we have been shooting for a television series, and the promotions, the way everything has been happening, it's full scale. It couldn't have been better than this. And now, honestly, television is the next big thing. So the way things are going right now, we just hope we fall to the expectations.
Okay, since Amrita is already into the industry, so comparisons are bound to happen between you and Amrita, of course. So all
They
set.
better happen.
Okay, so all set.
Yeah, I mean, when I, as an audience, I keep comparing star siblings and star sisters and brothers and with their better known star siblings. So why not? I think if they don't compare me with Amrita, then I'll think that something is seriously wrong.
And you guys are actually look alike, from height to gestures to smile to voice, everything. Even I was mistaken for a while.
Trust me, she's much better than me. Trust me. I don't have that $1 million Madhuri Dixit smile that she has. I wish I did.
Okay. So what do you think, Harshad? I mean, Amrita is pretty or Preetika?
Both of them are pretty, I guess. Gorgeous girls, gorgeous sisters, and I hope they both do very well in their careers.
Okay, lastly, one message to all my viewers.
Watch Be-Inteha, watch the story of Zain and Alia, and
Yeah, I just hope you guys fall in love with us.
Thank you for talking to us. Well, this was brand new couple from Be-Inteha, Preetika and Harshad in Mumbai with cameraman Puneet Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Preetika, and you're watching Bollywood Now.